Hi guys, my name is Jerlene from Sephora Hollywood and Highland, and today I'm showing you guys how to get this glowy summer look for dry skin. If you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so my eye makeup's already done, so we're going to jump right into my complexion. First, I like to start off with prepping my lips with the Farmacy Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm just to keep my lips hydrated through my complexion process. So next, I like to prep my skin with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I have dry skin, so this really helps with hydrating my skin using a matte foundation. I like to let that dry for a few seconds before I go in with my foundation. Next, going in with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I like to mix two shades, and I'm using shade 420 and 450. So I like to go in with the Sephora Collection 47 brush. This brush allows me to apply the product more evenly. Since this is a more matte foundation, the brush helps me apply the product a little quicker. Next, I like to go in with a damp beauty blender. This helps me even out the product all over my face and gives me that seamless coverage. Once you have buffed your face in with the beauty blender, you just want to check, make sure everything's even and everything looks flawless. Okay guys, so next I'm going into the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Matchsticks Matte Skin Stick. I like to use two of the matchsticks because I like to go in with one to conceal my under eyes and the other one to just brighten my face. Okay, so I'm going in with the shade Cocoa. I like to apply this underneath my eyes in an upside down triangle. This is where the light will naturally hit my face. I like to use the 47 brush by Sephora Collection. This helps me get a nice seamless blend. And you just want to tap, not rub, because if you tap, that just evens out the color. If you rub, that removes the color. Next, I'm taking the shade Suede from the Matchsticks. This one is slightly lighter than my skin tone, so this is going to give me a natural highlight. You always want to use something maybe a shade or two lighter depending on how you like your highlight, and this will just give you that natural glow where the light naturally hits your face. So I take the beauty blender underneath my eyes just to tap out the product to give me a nice even canvas. Still using the shade Suede from the Matchsticks, I'm putting a little bit on the bridge of my nose and once again just tapping it out with my beauty blender to get that perfect flawless coverage. Taking the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Matchsticks Matte Skin Stick, I'm taking the shade Espresso. I'm using this as my contour shade. I really like this shade because it's not too red and it's not too neutral. Doesn't give me that muddy effect. It's just the perfect contour shade for my skin tone. I like to go in with the Sephora Collection 74 brush. This brush is small enough to hug my cheekbones, but fluffy enough to blend out the product. Then going back in with the beauty blender, I like to use that to buff out my contour on my nose. Going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, I like to take a damp beauty blender and apply this right in the places that I highlighted my face. Because I do have dry skin, I prefer to just set my under eyes and not bake. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna KILLAWATT Freestyle Highlighter. I'm going into the shade Ginger Binge. I love the Killawatts because they're really versatile. You can use them as an eyeshadow, a blush, or even a highlight. I'm going to apply using the Sephora Collection 59 brush. Since I'm trying to get a glowy look, I like to use this as a blush because it gives me a nice shimmery effect. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna KILLAWATT Freestyle Highlighter, and this time I'm taking the Chic Freak shade, and I like to use this because it's going to intensify my highlight. So I'm going in with the Sephora Collection 65 Fan Brush, and I really like to use this brush because it really helps intensify the glow and apply the product evenly. And if you feel like you applied a little too much product, you can take a fluffy brush and kind of blend it out. I also go in with the 98 brush from the Sephora Collection and kind of highlight the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow as well. I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, and to apply this, I use the Sephora Collection brush number 19. And this is a great tip if your color is not giving you the payoff you need, just go ahead and wet your brush and it's going to intensify the color. So next, going into the best gloss ever, I'm using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer, and this gloss smells amazing. If you haven't tried this gloss, I have no idea what you're doing. I really like this gloss because it's perfect for literally everyone, every skin tone, and it's very hydrating to the lips as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to keep up with me, my handles are Jerlene_Marie. and thank you so much for watching.